Okay. Now, when two coplanar lines, what do you mean by coplanar lines? Lines belonging to the same plane are called coplanar lines. If that lines are intersected by a transversal, can you find how many angles are formed? Eight angles are formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Am I right? Yes. Here, now, what are exterior angles? Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7, angle 8 are exterior angles. 3, 4, 5, 6 are interior angles. Now the point arises, co-interior angles, co-exterior angles. What do you mean by co-interior angles? The interior angles which lie on the same side of the transversal are called co-interior angles. Here, can you please tell me what are co-interior angles? What pair of angles? Tell me which are co-interior angles here. Arnav?
Yes, sir.
Tell me one pair of co-interior angles.
Sir, angle 3 and angle 4.
Which lie on the same side of the transversal, my dear boy. 3, 4 are interior, but they do not lie on the same side of the transversal. No, this is the transversal, right? If this is the transversal, 3, 6 are the interior angles which lie on one side of the transversal. 4, 5 are the interior angles which lie on this side of the transversal. So what pairs of co-interior angles exist? 3, 6 is one pair. 4, 5 is another pair. Co-interior in the sense the interior angles which lie on the same side of the transversal. Okay? Make a note of it. Write down co-interior angles. Pass. Let's finish off. We have to do problems also. Co-interior angles. Write down. The interior angles which lie on the same side of the transversal, are called co-interior angles. Did you all understand, beta?
Yes, sir.
That's pretty good, Nana. So co-interior angles means the interior angles which lie on the same side of the transversal are called co-interior angles. In the same way, what we can say about co-exterior angles? A pair of exterior angles are said to be co-exterior if they lie on the same side of the transversal. From this figure, can you please tell me the pair of co-exterior angles here?
Sir, 1 and 8, 2 and 7.
That's very good. Bhumika, you are right. And Arnav, absolutely right. 1 and 8 are co-exterior angles. 2 and 7 are also co-exterior angles. Next, coming to the point, corresponding angles. Can you please tell me what are corresponding angles? Come on, guys. Okay, from the figure, tell me what are corresponding angles. Tell me one pair of angles which are corresponding.
3 and 4.
Hey, Arnav, Are you kidding, beta?
Sir, because 2 and 1 will be linear pair.
I am asking corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Okay, don't be shy. Just I was joking. Okay, meanwhile, how is the session going on? Are you all interested?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, getting interest in the topic, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Let's make the session wonderful now. What is corresponding angle? Generally, by looking into the figure, everyone will say 1, 5 are corresponding angles, 4, 8 are corresponding angles, 2, 6, 3, 7 are corresponding angles. If I ask define, they will not say. Okay, let us define corresponding angles. Write down beta. Define corresponding angles. Define corresponding angles. Did you write the question?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now write down answer. A pair of angles are said to be corresponding angles. A pair of angles are said to be corresponding angles. A pair of angles are said to be corresponding angles if and only if and only if. Next line, first point. One angle is interior. One angle is interior and the other is exterior. One angle is interior and the other is exterior. Number 2, second point. They must lie on the same side of the transversal. They must lie on the same side of the transversal but not adjacent. But not adjacent. This point is compulsory. But not adjacent. Okay. I hope you both have written this. Yeah, that's good. Now, let me explain with the help of diagram. I said one angle is interior and the other angle is exterior. So here 1 is exterior, 4 is interior. Okay. They lie on the same side of the transversal. Yes. But they are adjacent. So 1, 4 do not form corresponding angles. Now, 1 is exterior, 5 is interior. They lie on the same side of the transversal and they are not adjacent angles. So 1 and 5 form corresponding angles. Hope you understood now. Understood better? Why 1 and 5 are called corresponding angles? 1 is exterior, 5 is interior. They lie on the same side of the transversal, but they are not adjacent angles. That's why they are called corresponding angles. In the same way, 4 and 8, 4 is interior, 8 is exterior. They lie on the same side of the transversal and they are not adjacent angles. So 4, 8 forms corresponding angles. In the same way, 2 and 6, 3 and 7. Hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
That's pretty good. Next, write down. What are alternate angles? What are alternate angles? Write down and make it fast. Huh? What are alternate angles? What are alternate angles? Write down. A pair of angles are said to be alternate angles. A pair of angles are said to be alternate angles. A pair of angles are said to be alternate angles if and only if line, first point, both angles are interior. Both angles are interior. R-A-R-E, are interior, or O-R-R, or both angles are exterior. Both angles are interior or both angles are exterior. Second point, they must lie on either side of the transversal. They must lie on either side of the transversal, but not adjacent. They must lie on either side of the transversal, but not adjacent. Okay, let me see. Explain through the diagram. 1 and 2 exterior. Yes or no? Yes. They lie on either side of the transversal. Absolutely true. But they are adjacent angles. So 1, 2 are not alternate angles. 1, 7. 1 is exterior, 7 is exterior. They lie on either side of the transversal. Yes, because 1 lies this side and 7 lies this side. Are they adjacent angles? No. So 1 and 7 are what? Alternate angles. As they are exterior, we call them as alternate exterior angles. If both are exterior, they will be called as alternate exterior angles. Now, 3 and 5 are interior angles. They lie on the opposite side of the transversal and they are not adjacent. So what are they? Alternate interior angles. Is that clear, Nana? If both are exterior, we call them as alternate exterior angles. If both are interior, we call them as alternate interior angles. I hope you all understood now.
Yes, sir.
That's pretty good. Now, coming to the point, results of transversal intersecting parallel lines. Okay. What do we say? I hope, can you please go on to the slide number 17? Can you please open slide number 17? Are you all able to see that?
Yes, sir.
That's pretty good. Now see, results of transversal intersecting parallel lines. First point is, when a transversal intersects two parallel lines, 8 angles are formed. Obviously, we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Second point, sum of the 4 interior angles is 360 degrees. 3 plus 4 is 180. 5 plus 6 is 180. Sum of all these 4 will be what? 180 plus 180, which is 360. In the same way, exterior also, 1 plus 2, 180. 7 plus 8, 180. 180 plus 180, 360. Next, the sum of the co-interior angles will be 180 degrees. That means, if lines are parallel, we can say that the co-interior angles are supplementary. If co-interior angles are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. If lines are parallel, co-interior angles are supplementary. If co-interior angles are supplementary, lines are parallel. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes,
Is that
sir.
clear? Right. Next, alternate angles will be equal and corresponding angles will be equal. These are the basic points when the lines are parallel. If lines are parallel, alternate interior angles are equal. Alternate exterior angles are equal. corresponding angles are equal, co-interior angles are supplementary. If any one of these four properties is satisfied, we can say lines are parallel. If lines are parallel, we can use all these four properties and we can do the problems whatever are required. Hope you guys understood. Understood better?
Yes, sir.
Pretty good.